down, grab your rope. Grab this. All right, now what I want you to do is you get right down. When you start off, you want to pull and just start coming forward, okay? All ready? Now dig. Dig it, go. Get down there and dig it.
Let's go.
Come on, buddy, dig it.
Awesome work.
Let's go, dig it. Come on, big man. Come on, buddy, dig.
Great job.
Just walk it, go, run. Don't even worry about it.
Come on, James. Come on, buddy.
Go.
Come on.
Pull it. You got it. Go.
Come on.
Pull it, James. Pull it.
Pull, pull, pull.
Run this, buddy. Pull it.
Get him out of that hole. Come on.
You got it, buddy.
Pull, pull, pull.
Pull it.
Come on. It's still dipped, just like you said. Come on.
Hey, go.
Go, go, go.
Buddy. Pull. Get down there and pull.
Come on, James.
You're going. You're
Fight,
going.
fight.
You're going. Pull
Come on, bud.
Got it?
Come on.
Go, brother. Oh, look at you go.
Nice work. Nice work.
Get down there, big man.
Come on.
You gotta find your footing. You're going.
Come on, James.
You're getting it. Come on.
Great job.
This, buddy.
Great job.
You got it. You're
You
going.
fight. You
You're
fight.
going. Buddy, you're going. Come on.
You fight. You finish it up.
You're going.
Come on.
Come on, buddy.
Come on.
Come on.
Great job.
James, you're doing it. Come
Awesome work.
on. Pull that truck.
1 ton.
Pull it.
Come on.
Pull it.
Finish it up.
Come on, buddy. Pull that truck.
Great job.
Oh,
Great job.
Oh, I'm so happy.
That
So
is
proud of you. Bro.
that is awesome.
That was great.
That is just crazy.
I'm so proud of you. Get this off you, okay? Now don't ever tell me you can't do something. You got it?
You do that, you can do anything.
Look at that.